Hello, Mister.
Hello, Mister.
Hello, my students. How are you?
How are you, Mister?
Okay, thanks. Yeah, then I'm sorry. Just a minute. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Grade 3B. I wish you all good health. With you, Mr. Frank Malgation School. Today, we will continue studying freezing, okay, condensation, and evaporation. We said freezing, melting, they are against to each other. You remember? Freezing and melting against to each other, my students. The last one we talked is about just melting and freezing. We said that to be cool means the freezing here. Okay. We'll begin with 300. Go to page 368 first. We said freezing the change of state from a liquid to solid by cooling. And we said freezing point of view, we said degrees Celsius mean 32 Fahrenheit. Cooling means low temperature or decreased temperature. And today we will complete what is melting, the change of state from a solid to a liquid by heating. So melting is the opposite of freezing. Okay, the ice will be liquid. Okay, the ice will be liquid, mainly melting. Today we'll study what the evaporation, condensation. Evaporation also and condensation opposite to each other. Evaporation, the change of state from liquid, mean water to gas, mean water vapor by heating. Condensation also change of state from a gas, mean water vapor to liquid. That's by cooling. So evaporation happens by heating and condensation occur by cooling. Okay, my students? Okay. So we can set condensation against evaporation. Condensation against evaporation. Why? Because condensation means change of state, and evaporation also change of state. But condensation, a change of state from a gas to liquid by cooling. So there are three important points here. What are the three important? Number one, gas, condensation from a gas to liquid. Number two. Number three, by cooling. Cooling means what? Means decreasing temperature or lowering temperature. The same. At evaporation versus. In page 373, go to page, what happened to water vapor in the girl's warm? Breathe as she breathed in the cold window, it condenses into tiny water droplets. If you go to page, okay? Okay, so if we want to know that, okay, my students, Here we go to the bit 373 here. You see? And 373. You see here. What happened to water vapor in the girl warm breeze and the breeze in the cold window here? Do you see? There is condensation here. Do you see the girl? So the answer here, I want to answer in base 300, yes, in base 373. You will be it here. You will answer it here. Okay. Answer it now in the book. Then in the book. Go to the book. What happened to water? When this girl warm, it's breathe in the cold window. It condenses into tiny water. Write this now, my student. I will give you a minute to write. Okay, Masina, I will ask Abdullah, Omar, do you write Abdullah? Do you finish writing?
Yes.
Abdullah, do you
Yes.
finish writing? Okay,
Yes,
Abdullah, what's condensation, Abdullah?
Condensation.
Condensation.
Change of
Yes.
a state from gas.
Thanks. By
Water vapor.
cooling. By cooling, my students. By cooling, okay? You concentrate on the word cooling here, Abdullah. Okay, Abdullah?
Okay.
Thanks, Abdullah. Aun Ashraf, are you Aun? Are you okay?
Alhamdulillah.
You finished writing, okay?
Yeah, I finished.
Again, it's the process to condensation, is evaporation, okay? What is evaporation, Aun?
Evaporation when we have
When the state of matter in which what?
yeah.
Water?
Not as when we put the ice in the
Liquid.
sun, it will melt.
So it will melt. Melting, that's another thing, Awan. Evaporation, like you boil the tea. Do you know the tea? Boil the tea. It will change from liquid to gas. Close the camera, my students. Close the camera. Close the camera. Open the camera. I will know him.
Cream.
Okay, Awan. Who?
Tamim here, open the
Okay,
camera.
Awan. No problem. Okay, Awan. So now, my Awan, thanks, Awan. Thanks a lot. So listen, Awan, to this video, you will understand more, and all students, you will understand more. Listen, just listen, okay?
Oh, I can't finish it fast. And it is melting.
Oh yes, mine is melting too.
Why is this melting?
Let me show you something.
Why have you brought me back?
Let's find out the secret why solid like ice cream melts.
Oh, secret. But then these are ice cubes.
Yes, it is called the secret of molecules. You know, everything is made of molecules. When you heat molecules, they start moving faster.
Then what happens?
Let's enter the world of molecules to see this. You know, these molecules in solid are tightly packed and they don't go out, but they're not fixed. They keep moving. They come near to each other and then again go away, like saying, I'm your friend. And now, when it gets hot, they start moving away from each other. And you know, when molecules are far from each other, what happens?
Yes, matter becomes liquid.
Yes, it is also called melting.
Melting. When molecules in solid becomes a bad, it turns into liquid.
Excellent.
Now,
I will ask
still
no,
we
you
are
are with
heating-
me or no? I'll ask Omar Sultan, Abdullah. Omar Sultan, I ask you or no?
No, no.
Now, what's melting here? Do you see the video now?
Yes.
What is melting?
Melting is liquid.
Change of a state from?
Liquid to gas.
No, solid to liquid. Melting. Do you see in the video?
I
do you
didn't
see-
understand your question. What's your question?
Melting. Do you see here? And she eats this one.
I
One
didn't
minute.
understand what you say.
You remember
What
that
is the
each,
question?
one
I understand.
minute. Yeah. Do you see? Yeah, melting. Do you see melting of this? I will repeat it for you to understand more. Okay, Omar?
I understand, but I didn't understand your question, what you say.
It fast, and it is melting.
Thanks, Lee.
Oh yes, mine is melting too.
Why is this melting?
Let
Listen,
me
my
show you
son.
something.
Why have you brought me back?
Let's find out the secret why solid like ice cream melts.
Oh, secret. But then these are ice cubes.
Yes, it is called the secret of molecules. You know, everything is made of molecules. When you heat molecules, they start moving.
My students made of molecules. Everything solid made of molecules, liquid made of molecules, gas made of molecules. Okay, we reach to Muhammad Amir. How are you, Muhammad Amir?
Yes, mister.
What are the states of matter, Muhammad, here? What are the states of matter?
Solid and liquid and gas.
Solid? Thanks. So solid consists of molecules. Do you see this here in the video? Solid consists of molecules. Liquid
Yes.
consists of molecules. Gas consists of molecules.
Anything is made of molecule. Everything.
Excellent. Yeah, thanks. Ammar Khalid Al Umar. Ammar Khalid.
Let me start.
Ammar, what is melting?
Melting, it is unsolid, it will become in the liquid.
Yeah, from solid to liquid, thanks. Al Fatih Muhammad. Melting. Yasser. You are Yasser?
mister.
Yes, Yasser. What is melting?
Melting from solid to liquid.
Excellent, inshallah. But نشأت from liquid to solid become what? From liquid to solid نشأت.
From liquid to solid, freezing.
Freezing by what? Cooling or heating?
Cooling.
Thanks. Omar Wael, what's freezing? What is freezing, Omar? Omar, you are not with me in the session. Where are you?
Yes, mister.
Where you are away from the session, Omar?
I'm not away from the session.
Okay. Now what's freezing, Omar?
Freezing,
Yes,
change from liquid to solid.
thanks. وليس محمد
By
إسلام.
cooling. By cooling.
Thanks. محمد إسلام. What against freezing? What? Freezing against what?
Melting.
Thanks. My students, listen to the video. I will complete, inshallah, to ask you. We reach to Muhammad Islam. We will, the next one, inshallah, we will ask, I think, Muhammad Amir. I will answer. Yes, I will ask Muhammad Ali after that. Okay, listen to the video, then I will ask.
Faster.
Then what happens?
Let's enter the world of molecules to see this. You know, these molecules in solid are tightly packed and they don't go out, but they're not fixed. They keep moving. They come near to each other and then again go away, like saying, I'm your friend, and no, I'm not your friend.
Like you and me.
Yes, but when it gets hot, they start moving away from each other. And you know, when molecules are far from each other, what happens?
Yes, matter becomes liquid.
Yes, it is also called melting.
Melting. When molecules in solid becomes apart, it turns into liquid.
Now, still we are heating the liquid, so molecules are moving faster. Some of them are coming out. We can see them, but they're forming a gas. So, when vapor comes out of liquid on heating, it is called evaporation.
Vapors. Evaporation.
Now, let me show you something.
Oh, vapors are again becoming liquid.
Yes, because the temperature of the cover is cooler than the temperature inside the pot. So molecules again start coming close to each other. This is how rain happens.
When water vapors touch a cool surface, they become dense. They come close to each other. It is called condensation.
Very good. You're writing all. Wow, Jimmy, do you know we can turn this liquid into solid?
How?
Just wait.
After some time,
Oh, it has turned into solid again.
Yes, the molecules again become slow and come closer to each other, and it becomes ice and solid. It is also called freezing.
Oh, these molecules are like us in cold. We want to sit close to each other.
Yes, you're right. In summers, we sit apart.
freezing. On cooling, liquid molecules come together and it becomes solid.
Let me note down what happens to molecules when they are put in cold temperature. Thank you, Ginny.
Let me show you something.
Oh, this grass is so wet in the morning.
Yeah, there is a lot of dewdrops on the grass.
Dewdrops? How these are formed?
It is condensation.
Yes, Mister.
What happened here in the image here? You know?
Yes,
Do you see the image? What happened here?
there is the small waters. This
Yes,
is its
droplets
name
of water.
dropper.
Due to
It is
what?
dropper.
Droplets, yes. Droplets of water means it's what happens? Condensation. Okay, Muhammad?
Yes, it is mixed from the water vapor.
Thanks, from water vapor. Thanks a lot. Yasin, do you see the image, Yasin?
Yes.
What's condensation, Yasin?
Condensation is
Yes.
the process from liquid to solid.
No. Do you see solid here in front of you?
No,
It's
it's the process from
gas, from gas to liquid. Do you see liquid here? Do you see the blue one here?
Yes.
This liquid. So that's condensation. You see the video why Yasin to understand more. When you keep something, you don't understand. But I want to understand you and keep you for the same time. Okay, Yasin?
Okay.
So I see, Yasin, that you make an experiment, you make a video, you make an activity, you make exercise like that. Understand?
Okay.
Thanks. Muaz. Okay, Muaz, what happened in the image, Muaz, here?
Yes, mister.
This what Muaz here in front.
This is condensation.
Condensation. Okay, thanks. Ahmad Murad. Okay? Ahmad Murad. There's droplet of water here. Why? There is a droplet on the leaf. Do you see the leaf here? We have droplets of water in the leaf. Why?
Because
Yes.
because the condensation is
Due to condensation, which is the change of state from what?
condensation, a change of state from gas to liquid.
Excellent. So there's liquid or gas in front of you. There's liquid. You see?
Yes, I see it.
Yeah, it happened in the morning or at night. It happened in the morning. You know?
Yes.
It happened in the morning. Close the camera. Thanks. Ismail Ahmed. Ahmed Murad, I think I ask you or no?
You ask me, mister.
Okay. Close the camera. Abdurrahman Muhammad Al-Aqad. Or you, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Abdurrahman, this is dew in front of you. Do you know dew? Dew?
What?
This is called the dew. Do you see the water?
Yes.
In the leaf. In the morning, when you touch some leaf, you will find there is some water here. It is due to what? Due to condensation. Close the camera, my students. Close the camera. Open the camera. Okay, Abdurrahman. This condensation here. Condensation against what, Abdurrahman?
Condensation is change of state from gas to liquid.
Against, yes. Against what? Against,
Against.
Evaporation.
Yes.
Evaporation, yeah, thanks. I want Ahmad Rami, my friend. How are you, Ahmad? Ahmad Rami. Arshman Tahir.
Yes,
Ahmad.
Yes,
we
mister.
evaporation. 1 minute, Arshman.
Mister.
Ahmad, what is evaporation? Evaporation.
Evaporation.
Yes.
We put liquid in
Liquid. Liquid to gas. Thanks, Ahmed.
yes.
Arshman, evaporation against what?
Evaporation against what?
Yes, against what? Against condensation.
Yes, condensation.
Yes. Muhammad Amir.
Yes,
I don't ask you
mister.
Muhammad or
Yes, I was about to say condensation, but I thought condensation was the wrong answer. I thought it was freezing or melting.
Okay, what do you talk, Muhammad Amir or Arshman?
Yes,
What do you want?
mister.
What do you want, Arshman?
Yeah, I thought that condensation was the wrong answer. I thought the answer was freezing or melting.
Freezing is against melting, and condensation
Yeah.
against evaporation. Okay, Arshman?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Muhammad Amir,
Yes, mister.
you are with me. What is this dew? Dew, that's droplets of water. Do you see?
Yes, I see.
What is the reason here? What is the reason?
It is precipitation.
Yeah, after the brow, thanks. It will be precipitation after that. But first,
Condensed from
First,
the cloud.
yeah, it will be from the cloud. But here in the, do you know the leaf of the plant in the morning?
What, mister?
The leaf on the plant of the morning. Do you see the green leaf? That's the green leaf, okay? What happened here?
Yes,
There is dew
okay.
here in the morning. There's droplets of water. Okay, Muhammad? I want to Muaz. Yes, Muaz, where are you? Where are you today, Muaz? 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 Okay. Ryan?
Hello, Miss. Hello, Miss.
Who are you,
Yes.
Muaz or Ryan?
Muaz.
Muaz and Ryan, okay. We'll begin with Muaz. Open the mic, don't close the mic. Muaz, what is the melting?
Melting?
Yes.
Okay. Melting is
Change of a state from what to what?
to ice to vapor.
From ice to water. Thanks, it will melt.
To water.
From ice to water. That's the
I
Ryan.
close my mic?
Ryan, yes. Ryan,
Yes, mister.
Ryan, what is melting against what?
Melting.
Yes, against what?
Melting.
Against freezing. Melting against freezing. Thanks a lot. Okay, Omar Osama, I don't hear you today. Omar Osama. And Muhammad Ahmed Zuhairi.
Mister,
Omar Osama, what is melting?
melting is the opposite of freezing and changing from solid to liquid.
Thanks. Sajid. Is Sajid, where are you?
Yes, mister.
Okay, what's freezing? Sajid.
Freezing.
Yes.
Freezing.
Change.
Yes. Freezing.
It changes from liquid to solid. It is clear. Change from liquid to solid. It's clear, my students. It's clear.
Yes.
Okay. Tamim Ahmed, last one, Tamim.
Yes, mister.
What's condensation, Tamim?
Condensation is the state change from gas to liquid.
Excellent. Out of this, Ryan, we hear you. Omar Osama, we hear you or no? Muhammad Ahmed, we hear you or no?
Yes, Mister. Yes, Mister.
Yes. Okay. Muhammad Ahmed Zuhairi, don't ask you. Omar Osama, ask you. Okay? I ask you.
Yes, Mister.
Omar Osama, I asked you or no?
I'm not Omar Osama. I'm Muhammad Zuhairi.
Okay, Muhammad Zuhairi, what is condensation?
Condensation, turning water to gas. Turning the liquid to
No,
gas.
gas to liquid.
Yes, gas to liquid.
Gas to liquid. As you see here in the image, okay. aim of the video to concentrate more, okay? Thanks, Zuhair. Continue my video.
Condensation.
Yes, when air is full of water vapors and it touches the grass, which is cold, water vapor condenses and they form water vapors.
Oh, when grass leaves are cooler than air, the water in the air condenses and water drops appear on the grass.
Yes.
Teardrops happen due to condensation.
Please give me a chocolate.
Oh, it's all melting.
Yes, it seems it melted because of the heat.
Yes, because of the heat, molecules in the chocolate started moving away from each other and they became liquid.
Oh, that is why my mama tells that we should keep chocolates in the refrigerator.
Yes, that way molecules in the chocolate remains close to each other.
Due to heat, melting happens.
I know why they keep clothes outside for drying.
Oh, you have understood. Please tell me.
On sunny days, when the sun is hot, a lot of heat comes. Due to heat, the water molecules in clothes start moving away from each other.
Yes, and the water turns into gas, which is called evaporation.
Wet clothes dry in sun due to evaporation.
If we can learn this well, we will know all the reasons of change in matter.
So you're going to www.makemegenius.com for science videos. It also has lots of interesting facts and PowerPoint presentations for children.
Okay, my students. We say that, okay, evaporation, we said evaporation, we said condensation, we said, okay, everything here. So my student, that's the summary today. Okay, evaporation, change of state from liquid to gas. Particle condensation, change of state from gas to liquid. And the question here we answered. Thanks, my student, for listening. I wish you understand. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh for any session. Thanks a lot. I wish you enjoy the video. I wish you enjoy the period, my students. Okay. I wish you enjoy with the video and the period each time, inshallah.